What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name Ce2C2043 and then find out the molar mass. So here we are dealing with Ce, which is cerium, or Ce3+, because we have 3 in here. And here we are dealing with C2O4 2-, which is oxalate ion. Series multivalent ions, and sometimes it gets +3 and sometimes it is 4. In this case it is 3 because we see 3 in here. So when you want to name the product, it's going to be cerium 3 oxalate. Sometimes it's called serous oxalate. Now let's see how to find out the molar mass. In order to find molar mass or molecular weight, we need to see what kind of elements we have. We have cerium, we have carbon, and we have oxygen. We have 2 cerium, we have 2 times 3, 6 carbon, and we have 4 times 3, 12 oxygen. We need to find out the atomic mass of each of these elements using the periodic table. Cerium is 140.12, carbon is 12.011, oxygen is 15.999. So that's going to be 2 times 140.12, 280.24, 6 times 12.011, 72.066, and we have 12 times 15.999. It's going to be 191.99988. When you add them all, it's going to be 5442.294 grams per mole. That's the molar mass of cerium oxalate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding chemistry, physics, and other topics in math. Thank you for watching and have a great day.